Welcome to the Dumpster Divers Dumpster Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Center, your premier destination for dumpster rental in Auburn, Massachusetts. Whether you're cleaning out your garage or managing a construction project, we've got you covered. At the Dumpster Divers Dumpster Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Centers, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs. From small home cleanouts to large-scale construction sites, we have the perfect dumpster for every project. We're committed to sustainability and offer convenient recycling drop-off services. Help reduce waste and protect the environment by utilizing our recycling center. Our dumpsters are sturdy, reliable, and delivered directly to your location. With prompt pickup and delivery, you can trust us to keep your project on track. Customer satisfaction is our top priority at the Dumpster Divers Dumpster Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Center. Our friendly team is dedicated to providing exceptional service and support throughout your rental experience. Ready to rent a dumpster or drop off your recyclables? Contact us at 508-925-5245 or visit www.thedumpsterdivers.com. Dumpster Rental Auburn, MA to learn more and book your rental today. The Dumpster Divers Dumpster Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Center, your trusted partner for dumpster rentals and recycling solutions in Auburn, Massachusetts.